Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all photos in Google Drive, quick and easy tutorial. For us to be able to begin, just open your Drive in there and log into the right account. So as you can see, I'm currently in already, and then right after, just click on My Drive in here. So here on your Drive, you should be able to see all of the photos that you have. Just click here onto type to filter this and then click on photos and images. So by doing that, it will remove other types of file and it will leave only the photos and images of your device. Now to go ahead and download all of them, you could just simply drag and drop your mouse just like that, or you could go ahead and use the shortcut keys onto your keyboard like Control A, and it will go ahead and select all of the photos that you have onto your device. Then right after, click on the download button and it should go ahead and initiate the download of all your photos onto your Google Drive. And if you've noticed as well, it will gonna be downloaded as a zip file. So right after this one is gonna be downloaded, you'll have to extract it to view all of the photos from your Google Drive. And that is how easy you download all photos in Google Drive. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.